Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a spicy item named garlic. It's a very common spice we put during our cooking. Almost every item needs this stuff. Usually, when you see the garlic, it's a collection of so many segments. Each segment looks like the same. They are connected in a single point, looks like the drawing, and from that middle point all the segments are connected together. At the top, few parts like this. This is a whole body of the garlic. For drawing a particular segment, it looks like this. So this is a single segment. As you know, the garlic, it looks simple and the color is white, so we're not putting any special colors. All we can do is put some shades to show the detailed drawing and the outlines. That's why first let's put few shades for one segment picture of the garlic at the right side. Because of the source of light, the shades will be darker at one side and it's going to be lighter on the other side. The lighter part is on the side of the light source and the darker part is on the opposite side of the light source. That's why when we put the shades for each segment, the side of the shades or the lights and darkness will be the same. In this case, we're putting the darker side on the left side and we're putting the lighter side on the right side. So the drawing is in progress. Stay tuned with the drawing. Please do not skip any parts. So don't skip it because if you skip, sometimes maybe you miss something. Something like special instructions or some details about which we talk while we draw it. So that's why the topics of the drawing or doing the details or putting the shades, many things, those are not predetermined for some cases. So real-time instructions, we also do that sometimes. Now you see the garlic here is looking more realistic as much as we put the time. So you can see getting nice. For the bottom part, let's put a uniform shade. Now I am working on the last segment of the garlic. 1, 2, 3 segment is done. This is the fourth segment. If you think about it, this one, a 3D, then you can see that this is the one side what we are seeing right now. The other side we cannot see. we're making the drawing like a 3D as much as we can. We're trying our best. So that's the idea. Trying our best, doing as much fine as we can make. All right, the drawing is almost complete. So we can put few shades like this. So this is the drawing of the garlic. Thanks for watching. If you like, one last thing, if you like, you can do few racks like this here for the elaboration. It's very soft rack, like this. It's make the basic outline looks nice, soft outlines. All right, so this is the drawing. Please subscribe the channel if you like the videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.